So here we are at the ski resort on the off season. They're working on a gondola project for the next upcoming winter, and we got some trails here that we can take, but also we're in Mordor. As you can see, there's a lot of rocky cliffs and valleys around us, so we're gonna go walk one of the trails and see what we can see. Well, we're starting our walk into Mordor now. Lauren's coming down the cliff face, the new access point to Mead's wall. So we're going to come around this way, I believe walk up towards where the ski lifts are, and maybe where Mordor is. So we've just reached our original entry point to this trail, or at least what we thought the original was, but they've rerouted it for all this construction. So we've just come up this hill behind us here. Getting a little warm now, even though it's chilly up here. And there looks to be a lot more green markers on this part, so we're gonna follow them for a while. Walking up next to potentially the Bunny Hill ski lift here. And one of these rock faces might be one of the rock faces that Gollum climbs down to attack Frodo and Sam to steal the ring before they capture him. We're not quite sure which one it might be or if we're in the exact right spot, but I could see it. I could see it. Here we are in Mordor. I think we're at the end of the hike because going down there seems a little dangerous. A nice little river down there though. Probably feeds into Gollum's pool if I imagine correctly. But I can see Mordor here. It's pretty rocky and treacherous. A lot greener than I remember though. But very rocky. What? Oh yeah, there you go. Just over the clouds there, you can see Mount Doom in the distance. We were up there yesterday.
Very hot.
Crazy. See if we can see further down the valley if we run up here. Whoo, that's another good drop off there. You can hear water rushing below me. Let's see if we come up on this crag here. Yeah, that's a nice little view into the valley. You can hear the river rushing below. This is, if I had to guess, a good spot where they would have filmed some battles, up-close battle scenes, but we'll never know.
The view here is just incredible. I can really see how it's Mordor. Look at all those rocks. Oh shit, there's Gollum!